Hello, my name is Nives Torresi. I am an EFL and ELT teacher here in Italy. I'm currently teaching English conversation full-time at the local high school. I also work online and face-to-face with my own company called Pegasus One. It includes a compact team of colleagues where we also teach business English and English certificate preparation courses. We prepare our own materials that are tailored specifically to the industry group we are contracted with. I have been teaching for over 20 years here in Italy and online since 2011 when I met Dr. Nellie Deutsch via Jason R. Levine during a course for online teaching. I joined the Moodle for Teachers soon after. Moodle for Teachers is also run by Integrating Technology and both are owned by Dr. Nellie. Over the years, I've worked with so many great teachers and mentors, learning from them and continuing to learn with them. I believe that learning is a lifelong activity, and I learned quite early in life that we never really stop learning. I naturally progressed onto the TEFL Electronic Village online sessions in 2012 as a participant and then eventually as a presenter, and I have never looked back since. I've since shared live webinar presentations, some with the late Thomas Hodges, my online mentor since the very first Moodle session. Then recently with Cheryl McCoy, who has since become my continual backbone to most of my online presentations and conference participations. Being a part of EVO teaching EFL to young learners as a participant and then eventually as a presenter of Week 3 board games, now also known as Games and EFL, has been a wonderful experience which I look forward to every year. So I hope to meet many more old and new faces online in this year's EVO session in the Moodle. See you soon.